top of the day to you. This is Jimmy Martin, your real estate professional with Home Advantage Realty, and I am over in the Northeast, and this is a Stanley Martin home. This is what they call the Winchester, and this is a model home. As you see, my vehicle and the site agent is here, but this is a 3,100 square foot home. It's got 5 bedrooms. The owner's suite and another bedroom is on the main floor. As you see, it does have a 2-car garage, and it does have a space for an office. And we're gonna walk through this home, and I'm gonna show you all about it. And as we walk up to the home, it is built on a slab. And that's basically, you do not have a crawl space, and that's what's the slab. So it's kind of not zero entry. So if you have people that's coming over to your home that may not want to traverse stairs a lot and everything, you just, a small ramp there would be good, or inside of your garage when you do, if you have those type of people coming over. And just going to show you the hardy, not hardy plank, but the asbestos siding kind of, not asbestos, but it's your hard siding. It's not your normal vinyl siding where you can just push in. So it is cement fiber board. That's what I was thinking of. That's what that is. And of course, you have your windows. You have the facade looking fake shutters. They put it on here and everything. They have no operational value and everything. You do have the brick that's here on here, very nicely done. Ring doorbell. I think Stanley Martin has a package where you can get the keyless lock here and the ring doorbell. I think they have like a upgraded package, but because of COVID and other stuff going on, that may or may not be available. So don't quote me on that. Of course, when you first walk up to the home, there's a truck behind me right now. So first walk up to the home, you do have the small windows on the right or left. You have a beautiful door. And as soon as you walk into this beautiful home, you have the high traffic floors down here. These are luxury plank vinyl floors. Immediately to the right, you do have a formal dining room. Beautiful, a lot of light. Be able to hang another kind of chandelier if you wanted to. Plenty of room in here. Of course, in these homes, they've tricked them out. They've got designers to come in. They put the right kind of furniture in. And yes, of course, they do have, there's a lot of upgrades in this house. That's basically it. It's a lot of upgrades in this house. You do have quartz countertops in here. We'll go in the kitchen in a minute. You do have, there is a butler's pantry. I did want to point that out real quick. It has a wine fridge. That's not a standard thing. That's something if you want that upgraded and everything. Of course, you see the quartz countertop. And as you come around here, now you do have a laundry room. This laundry, that's not, excuse me, it is a laundry room. This your laundry room. They have a lot of stuff here because this is a model home. And they even have like a little area. They put a dog, some leashes and stuff on the wall, but they put a dog bed in here. But this is your laundry room. It doesn't have a sink in here. One can be added because of course you already have water. And if you did not want the dog bed, a sink could be put here. Now this is normally where your garage would be, but this is the model home office, and Agent Billy is in there right now. And we're going to come around here, and there's a door back that way. That is the owner's suite. We're going to go in that in a minute. Bathroom to the left, and just a hall closet to the right. As you come into the kitchen, yes, they've upgraded. It does have an open feel in here. You have your built-ins, your gas fireplace, and right behind that picture is a outlet for you to put your TV up there if that's where you want to. And you do have a small pantry here, not big. You do have a refrigerator. Now, a lot of new construction homes, you can get a refrigerator, but that was one of the items that was kind of hard to find. Me personally, they're proud of their refrigerators. And a lot of these new construction homes, you can buy just a regular refrigerator or just have one included into the price. Now, my understanding, you can buy one for, if you bought one $1,800 from Lowe's or Home Depot, or you can purchase one of theirs, which is going to be twice as much. So with that being said, let's move along here. And you do have your gas gas stove. I'm getting all confused today. You got your gas stove. This is an upgrade. A lot of times they will put electric in here, but you can put gas. Nice vent overhead, and of course a nice backsplash. And your cabinets are just your standard cabinets, and they are extremely nice. I don't know if they're soft close or not. They should be. Yes, they are soft close. I don't know if you've seen that. Let me do it one more time. A lot of your drawers are soft close. Now you do have, this is a microwave convection oven. You'd have an oven down here. It is a Samsung, and all this is all touchscreen stuff. And as soon as you start operating it and everything, as soon as you open it up, and you can operate your oven from here and the microwave / convection oven from here. You do have a Samsung washer. Now these items I'm telling you about, this is something that you can pick and choose. You want this kind of sink, you can do that. You want the quartz countertop like they have in here, and you want the gas fireplace. All that is just options that you can do. That's all stuff that you can do. And as you see, you have a small breakfast nook over to the side, and you do have entry outside. We'll go out here for just a second and look. It's actually a pretty day today. Now you can have this screened in if you wanted to. More of a charge, of course, and put a ceiling fan in here, but this is something that you can do. And as we go around over here, you see it is a wide open concept. You know, you're basically standing in the kitchen, or if you're eating behind me, if you're eating cereal in the morning, yes, you'll be able to view pretty much everything in your home. Now, right off from the kitchen is another little storage area. Just for, you could call this another pantry if you wanted to. There is a bedroom down here. There's actually 2 bedrooms down here. You'd be able to make this into an office, or if you have older people that are going to live with you or visit, this would be the room for them. And if you notice, a lot of the handles, they are the handles where they're easy to open and not the knobs. And this is one of the homes that you can grow old in. This is a home that very easily you wouldn't have to move out as soon as you got to a certain age. You do not want to go up and down stairs. There is another bedroom on this floor plan. There's one down here with a huge walk-in closet. So you do have that. And we're actually going to come back and go upstairs, and I'm going to show you the owner's suite here as we walk through the house. And you do have your built-ins back here in the back. That's an option, maybe an upgrade. And again, your fireplace. Beautiful furniture in here. You do not skimp on that. There's also one little thing I want to show you. They do have a ceiling fan light control here. I'm not really sure if that is going to be an upgrade or not, but that's something that can be done. You do have a visitor's bathroom is what I call it. Just a small little powder room. And you do have a pretty good sized closet here. This is where your electronics and stuff will come in at. As you see in the model home, they have their router in here, and alarm system is all hooked up through here. That's something that you could be able to get. I think they do CPI, which is out of Charlotte. And is again, just going back to the front door of the house with the tall, smooth ceilings. Nice paint job in here. And again, this is the owner's suite. Good sized room. Just give you a good view of that. And as you see in here, you do have a stand-up shower. You do have a seating in here. And you do have a tub. Of course, that window, if you wanted to have it more of a something that would blur, you don't want people seeing you take a bath, or you may. You do have your double vanity over here. And you do have a small closet, which is a linen closet. And as we go along here, you do have a water closet. Be able to come in here and do your business and not be disturbed. Look back through here. Beautiful tile work that's in these homes. And you have a huge walk-in closet. Now, one of the things that's always irked me a little bit is they build this beautiful home and they put these wire racks in here. I've had a couple of clients that basically they told them not to install them. They were going to go to Closets or what's the name of the place? I can't remember right now. but they were going to go to a closet company and make sure that they were, some really nicer closets. And as you see, another view of the bathroom again. And as we head back out through the door, this would be your view. As you notice, there are speakers in here for you to be able to pipe music through the house. I think the control is in the kitchen where you'll be able to look that up, hook your phone to it, and then be able to hear music. And it is quartz countertop, farm sink. I'm going to just go back through the kitchen real quick. And now let's go upstairs. As you notice, there's no carpet on the stairs. A lot of people like that kind of stuff. They don't want carpet on the stairs, and some people do. So this up here is designed in a couple of different ways, and you can you can change this around when you're building one out of the ground. If one is already built, there's only so much you can do, but if one is coming straight out of the ground, you have the design option. You can make this whole room into a bedroom if you wanted to. You can make this into one big room with some columns in it and everything. It's just some options. And what they've done here is going to be a door here. You could put a door here. And this could be another option. Right now, they're using it as more of the design center. As you see the different planks on the floor, cabinets, tile. That's an interesting desk. And just different designs you can do. And as you come around here, I'll give you another view of this room. This could be more of a media room. You got your big screen TV in here. You're up here looking at TV. Or this is where the kids get. This is where they play the games. They watch what they want to on TV, and they're not disturbing you. Now, a lot of people like this idea where the kids can come upstairs. They can be out of the hair of the adults, and adults stay downstairs and hang out. And so this is the bathroom up here. Nothing to write home about, just regular bathroom. Different kind of countertops in here, and different flooring. And as you come around here to this last room, you do have two closets. Now, one is going to be just a regular closet. Nothing spectacular about it. And this one should be, I think it's going to be an entryway into the closet. The upstairs. Now, of course, you have two different air conditioners up here because split unit. You have one for downstairs and then one for upstairs. So you do have lighting up here. A little bit of storage here, not much. I know storage may be a lot of people's thing, but that's pretty much the house. And if you have any questions about this home, you can always give me a call at 803-238-7227. Be more than happy to answer any questions you have. I did want to point out, these are not just your normal spindles on here. These are wrought iron like. So it's not your wood ones that you see in a lot of homes. A lot of wood in this house. Like I said, you have that vinyl plank flooring down at the bottom, all through the house except for the bedrooms. It does have carpet. That's something I've had to have clients that they didn't want no carpet all in their house. They just want the vinyl plank flooring. And you got some people, that's what they want. So I'm going to stand over here in the corner, just get you a good view of the home and be able to look at that. And just looking out the window, there is a fenced-in backyard. It is a little more of an expense. A lot of people, they don't want the hassle with trying to get that done afterwards, and they may include that into the price of the home. You are getting a warranty with this home, and we'll talk about inspections later. But like I said, if you have any questions about this home, give me a call at 803-238-7227. Be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you very much.